When I heard the news that I got the seat, it was obviously a big surprise for me because up until that point I didn't really know where I was in terms of getting the seat. So it was a big surprise, and it took some time to really realize what exactly happened. Now I've got the seat, so obviously there's a lot of work ahead. This winter is going to be about trying to prepare myself for the first race and for the first tests. So really just spending time with the engineers and driving the simulator and getting used to everything is key over the winter. So it's a lot of hard work. McLaren has been a part of my life since I was a small kid. And my dad was a test driver and did one race back in the 90s. But I've always been dreaming about McLaren since I was a small kid. So it's quite special to be in this car as a racing driver with the Magnussen name on the car again. The championship this year was very important for me. It was sort of the year where I had to deliver. And together with my team, DAMS, we did the job, and we got the championship. I had to develop as a driver, I had to grow up as a driver, and this year it all came together. So it was sort of perfect for me to end my junior career at this level. I've been a part of McLaren for a few years now in the junior program. I started in 2009. And it's a big help that I already know most of the people here, and I feel at home here already. The fact that Lewis did exactly what I'm doing now, back in 2007, is it's a positive thing. I know it means that the team has done this before. They've prepared a rookie before, and the fact that he was very successful is very encouraging. I don't think it's more pressure. Looking at what Lewis did, it's just showing that it can be done, and you can be successful as a rookie. He was on the podium for the first 9 races of his Formula 1 career, so that's very impressive. I think it's very unusual. No one has ever done that before, I think, but it shows that it's possible, and that's encouraging. Next year we're gonna have completely new regulations, so it will mean a completely new car. With new engine, new chassis, new gearbox, everything's gonna be new. So it's a new challenge for everyone, not only for me. So everyone is gonna have to learn a lot next year, and that's a positive thing for me, I think, because now the fact that I don't have as much experience means a little bit less. So it's a good year for me to come into Formula 1. I think it's gonna require a lot of hard work, and it will mean that I have to learn a lot still. But at least everyone has, so that's a positive thing. I'm sure working with Jenson will be beneficial because I think he is the most experienced driver in Formula 1 next year. So that will mean that I will be able to learn from him. I'm sitting on, when we're in the debriefing and at the races, I'll be sitting next to him and listening to everything he says and watching him work with the team. So that'll be good to learn from him. My whole family and all my friends, it's big news. They know how much I want this, and they've seen me fight for this pretty much my whole life. So they are very happy that I got this opportunity, and I can't wait to see them at the races next year. It's a big news in Denmark that they now have a new Formula 1 driver, especially as I'm with the top team. It's a very big thing in Denmark. They're very supportive. They're very nice about it. It's a very positive thing in Denmark. So I'm very surprised by the support I've got from Denmark. Just want to say I'm very grateful for the support I've got from Denmark. Next year is gonna be a big year for me, and hopefully it'll be the start of something very big. So I'm very grateful for the support, and I can assure you that I will do my very best.